evaluated yesterday to take a short position. Didn't really find anything that met our reward to risk criteria. Unfortunately, we were looking at a short position and the stock is just absolutely annihilated this morning. But like I said earlier, hey, we didn't get in. Bottom line is, though, our methodology and our evaluation was spot on. So we move on to the next one. All right, we have Cree that we had from yesterday where we adjusted our position and now have a butterfly. So as a review, we'd love to see this thing stay here for the next 2 weeks. We know that's not going to happen, but in a perfect world, that would be fantastic. eBay, let's see this continuation to the upside. There's a lot of momentum behind this stock right now.